Ila Amolo Odinga chuma wodia lego. Tinga tinga. Baba. Jacom. A man of many names. Kwa do political careers yao. Sitagere existent. Tigane raida.
Very true.
I should let to run down to Gedurano Geke, especially it's 2007. Hey, at the team kire with no content. Tigokura raida.
Ikwa jamweno uri.
Yes.
Nikuri andu meyaka muno na kurumia raida.
Mutati wothe arugama hindi ya 207. Raida elua. And people will find you a darling. Todorau. They used to sell him Kimodo. Yegoroki. Yes. And matare any other agenda. And yari launching padia political campaigns yao. Laida elua totiku ete siana.
Neto tienda gerio guoya.
Mauga tomoino kia athie nginyako.
Bodo.
Athie nginyako. Sawa nenyo mauga. There was a time Mount Kenya. Wafataro ko menara ira.
Yes.
Ado makuenda.
As late as 3 years ago.
Yes.
2022.
Yes. No, just 3 years ago. Wait to watara ira rogoro. You know, actually there's a mataru ario there. And you look clearly. Ona die murango ino itu. Ario the mari kampuni ya rairari. They failed in the elections.
No, they with a thunder.
This man. Because I was working a lot with that company. On a modo time Mari. Yes. There was Honorable Sabina Nakirugamide. No Nagiarogamide. Yes.
The fate would be the same.
Yes. No najua ingekuwa disappointing kwa sababu angewangwa na msichana yake. Ndio ndio akirabeti.
No kabia azimio le.
Yes. Modo augago Laila.
Tulaino kiaku.
Tratu arabo. Da. There was no agenda.
No rairado ana tuma politically mahune bururi oni aige.
Ni aige muno direct.
Direct and indirect.
Yes. To grota ru ndo raira ara hura direct. You know Raila is a direct student of Moi. Moi ni akwa from grass.
Yes.
Literally. Akuruta thio. Akakuoya. Yes.
We muhunyo kuo kage ariri.
Wega view. Na wega Raila ri andu aria ahe ariri. Most of them remained very loyal. Yes. Ogrado ta Sifuna. Yes. Those are handpicked people by Raila.
And by then give it up to Raila.
Yes.
Ugimusta adina adore ashora adore ogiuga nguru wite politically.
Yes.
Raila ni ari ability yari.
Yes.
Ya kumulika mundu na kona potential.
Exactly.
Na kamuoya.
Yes.
Look at somebody like Babu na Mwamba.
For lack of another word, doya gatugege.
You remember githurano gia 207 Babu na Mwamba ginya gituthura gicanja makuria bunge makihitithio.
Akihitithia na ritwa ria Raila. Yes.
Na kirakaria ndu rugongo muno.
Arakaria ndu rugongo kone athiete rugongo ni mange amugihire maya.
Akeniria ndu.
Awire shall pay true allegiance to the president Raila Amolo No, his soldiers were diehards. And whatever the army enthusiasts, they were diehards. Yes.
Ona mwaria wa thirikari Isaac Mwaura. Mtoto ya Raila kisiasa.
Sana unakumbuka akitifua kifumbi kule Kasarani.
Kasarani hindi ya Men in Black.
Yes. It was Mwaura. Yeo kilio ni Anyang' Nyong'o. Mwaura sit down. No. No, and whatever Raila weteri. They are substance. Yes. Kina John Mbadi. Kina Opiyo Wandayi.
Ya kina Joho.
Joho alias San Joho. And the people who were nowhere in politics. Yes. Na Kimoyo Ogbo.
Yes.
Yeni. Let me tell you. Ona dore mamu toka thutha no akiri moye kigiti. Kwa mwamare wake cafe. Kwa mwamare wake dia. Wo mama
magicoka
Icoka. Yes. No, Raila ni aina kiara ya kunorithia giciasa.
Yes.
You have to give it up to. Yes.
Na ni arakoretwo ya Kasamuel wa Gen Z.
Yes.
No cio mati akoretwo magithie muno.
Vai ndathite mutoro ningi no horo wa broad based ri. No urambite okamuhuhura hanini. Na ngwĩcio na mũrimũ rĩu ũragĩũkire wĩhĩrĩirie okahora.
No old age.
Old age of 80. 80 nĩ mũthuri wa Maturangu. Yes. Kina Millie Odhiambo. Etagwo twe wa kũrĩa gũkũ kwĩrĩga the expo. The governor, the lady governor.
Homa Bay.
Yes.
Gladys Wanga.
Yes, Gladys Wanga.
Wa Homa Bay.
Those are mentored by Raila Tinga Wodia Lego. Yes. And of course, Raila is also surrounded by people who are of very sound political mind, like Jimmy Agri Orengo. Yes.
And you remember Nyamwari now etagwo Pentagon.
Etagwo Pentagon.
The ODM Pentagon.
Yes. Yari now yari na Raila Odinga. Aina Nyaga. Which Nyaga?
Nyaga.
Not Norman.
Jeremiah.
Is Jeremiah?
Yes. Jeremiah can Joseph.
Jeremiah is the father.
It is Joseph. Joseph. Jeremiah.
Joseph Nyaga. There was Najib Balala.
Musalia
Mudavadi.
And William Ruto.
The
5 of them.
Ongilu was not there.
Asha, that Pentagon.
Oh, it was them. And you see, within the Pentagon, Raila is not there now. And neither is.
Neither is Nyaga.
Musalia is there.
Ruto is there. And
the other one is who?
Balala.
Balala
has since gone quiet.
Balala has gone quiet. But now you see Ruto and Mudavadi are now who, as we speak?
He's the president and the chief cabinet CS.
So you don't mess with ODM. ODM, the Pentagon.
And then even the current president William Ruto,
yes,
career yake ya siasa,
yes,
he owes Raila
remarkable
a lot.
Of course, Moi took him up as a very young political man. Raila niwe wamumoldire wega
kwajaribu kumuigirira riri at the helm ya the decision table ya national politics.
Yes.
Kuma hare ruma formire Pentagon
kurehwo reu gicigiri
umenye from there all along he has been at the
relevant.
Yes, at the national level.
Yes. So Raila's master plan worked one way or the other. Yes. Yeni
no kuria we ya keta kinyire kirele kiria giendire
wega
no aria nyitete ri
ogika. Yes, political analysis. Tondu aiko mundu wa Pentagon ni urathana ri. What does that say about Raila Chuma Wodia Lego? Yes.
Na niyo ekumurika.
Yes. Musalia nake ni prime cabinet secretary.
Prime CS.
Yes. And a lot of other influential people in ODM is in treasury.
Na hario hidi nake Musalia ahetirie hani.
Yes.
Aigirire.
Musalia ndio anazueka vice president.
Yes.
Indo inini.
Ona hindi tuanze githurano gia 2013 ri.
Atigirie hani. Mundu witu akiwa ni saitani.
Akiwa heka demon
koma. Togo ciarirwo wewe. No, igu ane wite. Gerai mundu mumaraguri.
Na kiumenya ni angiarire.
Wega proper. Ritha thita. Yes. And Raila, I think, got very excited. Ka uruka wako vofana. I'll give it up to Chuma Wodia Lego. Moya is the professor of politics, but I think the head of faculty was Raila.
Yes.
Enigma. And the enigma. Yes. Ona kiorota Martha Karua. Martha Karua is also flames and fire. Yes. So kwa do ikiko kusentre no itu. I'm sure he had a hand. Yakuga mimi ngependa Martha. Yes. Tika the political winds and what have you.
rimwe ni guthia to nginya mwacora githio ria mwacora.
Yes, but you have to give it up to Raila. Legacy yake ye siasa ni you will hear of it for a long time. Absolutely. Aikaragia ni atetie AU.
Recently ni arethete gite kia AU. Kiraga ninge kwenja.
Raguthoneka bũrũri karia kehaya getagwo
Djibouti.
Djibouti. Yes, very small country, but a country, and we respect that they are the AU. The AU, it was called what?
AUC.
Yes.
That is Raila for you.
That is Raila chumba goja lego.
Nongi karudita kariga none karia negana ne mugeka.
Ndio the prime minister. Aone wa moyo yaje. Sasa mimi nakuja hapa PC iko Nairobi. PC hakuna. Alafu kiangalia hakuna choo. Alafu mnaniwekea nusu kapeti. Ndio aisa ya kafira nao ndio wa Kenya nyori. Mamu araheirie migeka misema ndio giarumireire. Na mamu ikagira cioro inyanya.
Nusu kapeti.
Sasa hii mnaweka nusu kapeti. Hakuna choo. Mimi nakuja waziri mkuu amekuja PC iko Nairobi. Ndio dato geto ni modo nao. And he's the prime minister. Yes.
Wewe ya kule ndo mamuhuraga baro ku thiini.
Na kule o ndio kirete. Rĩu ni yakana ya nambi. Wewe ndio kirete. Aifuta mawasi. Aitaka kwa ofisi yake. I am dismissing with immediate effect. Yafutete
one of them was William Ruto.
He was Minister of Agriculture. Anafuta Ruto. I am dismissing William Ruto.
Ndio kwa na sakata ka bebe.
Yes. Aizoka kirua wewe.
Yo.
Ayo pulo. Raila is a man. You cannot finish talking about him.
You can't.
Oh yes. I mean, akiwa ni mafuta mainoke. Yes. Na kiwa immediate effect. Kana hiyo hivyo. Akiro isa nani?
Nani? Wewe ni nani?
Politics is fun.
Very.
Atende wodo ya afutaga. Etuka president na kimura broad base. Yes. I think this is huku chini tunachezangwa. We should take lessons.
Ale iguru ni hatire rumena ru.
Ngatire rumena ru ko guku thi. Yes. Gotire matika nageria mahiga.
Asa. Letha kenda na 44.